Okay guys, welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today I have something special for you guys. I have a nice cut of meat guys that most people don't look at. But it's a very nice cut of meat. Not expensive, very tastable, delicious. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I have for you. I have something special for you guys. Here it is. I have, let me open the bag guys. I'm gonna show you what I have for you. So this right here is some pig feet guys, pig feet. I don't cut them up too small, okay? These are pig feet. Some people call it pig trotters, okay? So we're gonna clean this up. You know we always have to clean this stuff up. Get some lime and let it soak in it. Get a little vinegar on it. Clean them up. You know how it go already. That's how we do our meat guys. Our meat have to be clean properly before you start to cook, okay? You don't know what happened to it before you get it, so you have to clean perfectly. So that's what I'm gonna do guys. I'm gonna wash him up with some lime, a little bit of vinegar. Nice cut of meat guys. See? Some people cut them up real fine guys. I'm not cutting them real fine. I need to eat meat. Even though it don't have a lot of meat already, I need the little that leave on it to eat. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean up this meat and I'll get right back to you guys. So stay tuned, watch the video. And remember guys to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I always give the video a thumbs up guys so the algorithm can share it across the whole world guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean up this meat and I'll get right back to you guys. So stay tuned, watch the video. And remember guys to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I always give the video a thumbs up guys so the algorithm can share it across the whole world guys. Okay my people, here is the pig feet. We're gonna make some nice chew pig feet guys. See them? Nice and tasty and juicy. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna season it up. Add some garlic salt. And when you cook pork guys, salt after in it. So we're not using raw salt, we're using garlic salt. Okay. Right. Going with some complete. No, we can't let it complete, you know. Complete and good season, guys. Going with some onion powder. Now we have to season up the meat, let the meat nice enough. Going with some Maggi. Right. We are going with a little garlic powder on peeps. Yeah, food nice. And you know we have to add some of our slap your mother in it. Get a kick. That is it. So I'll go ahead. I'll get some black pepper in it now. Okay, so this is basically what I'm putting on it. Not putting anything else. Stay tuned to see how we're gonna put the scallion, onion, thyme and garlic. That's gonna be a green season guys. We're gonna blend it. You gotta stay tuned and watch that one. That one is a special season, okay? Right now, see it there? Looking nice and lovely. We're gonna make that sit down and soak for like about 30 minutes to an hour guys, and we get back right here. Okay my people, so here is the pig feet, well marinated, ready to go. So we have the pot on the fire, hot. So I'll put some oil in it and start going. Alright, so we have to put some oil in my pot, not a lot. I know this thing with oil, this thing gonna take a long time to cook. So you're gonna use more water than oil. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do? Put a little cloves in it. And we are right here now guys. And we're gonna put in these bad boys here. Okay. Guys, it's gonna take a while to cook. So I'm gonna cover it up and let the fire do the work. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. This one is gonna be a banger. Okay guys, if you notice in the pot, I have no earth seasoning in the pot. It's just a regular powder season. A little browning and a little bit of Chinese sauce. Okay? And let that soak overnight. Here is the real earth season. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna cut them on it. I'm gonna make a green season guys. That's more powerful, it's more stronger. This is what I'm gonna do. But I'm not ready to put it on yet, so I'm gonna make it anyway and put it down. So stay tuned and watch this one. I have a lot of garlic here. What I mean? A little piece of ginger, a little piece of rosemary, a sweet pepper, some thyme, a scotch bonnet, garlic, a scallion guys. And we call it green onion. Alright? Oh, we are going to make that. Stay tuned and watch. Okay, so we're going to add just a little bit of vinegar. And you know this one is going to be so nice, guys. A little bit of cooking oil. Just a little bit. Just something to blend the season, guys. Now we're going in the blender. Alright, now we are going to blend it. Okay guys, this is the green season. Very strong, very effective. But we're not ready to use that yet guys, so you gotta have to stay tuned. Watch the video until the end. Okay guys, now we're gonna add this seasoning. And this pot guys, you're gonna have to keep watching it all the time. It's thick on you. It starts to burn. So, all of this seasoning are going from now. You guys gotta keep stirring until you get the water in the pot. Maybe already. Now let's leave my leaf up now. What I'm gonna do now is bring this out because I'm not gonna waste none of the season. Because I'm gonna need some water in the pot right now. Not now, okay? Okay, now we're talking. Still gonna need a little bit more water, but let it cook and build it in the water now with what I got. So, let it stay there now guys, and it's gonna start to cook and cook and cook. And this is a long process, and remember you're gonna have to keep watching the pot, keep stirring the pot. Because this meat have a lot of gum in it, so it's easy to stick. Okay, my people, I'm gonna drop a little bit of browning in it. The flavor and color. Not too much guys. Browning is something that makes your pot bitter. Little of my Chinese sauce guys. Okay? This is what we use. A little bit of my Chinese sauce guys. Yeah. This is what we're gonna use on it. Yeah. Cooking for flavors. Yeah. And pig feet are going nice. This is a nice cut of meat, guys. Not expensive, and it's really nice. Very delicious. Trust me. When you eat this, guys, you're gonna want to eat it all the time. Pig feet. Pig feet, pig feet. Or we call it trotters back home, you know? Trotters. Right, you steer. Go on and do your thing. We'll get right back to you guys. This one's gonna be so nice. Okay, my people. Right now, guys, this pork feet here is almost ready, guys. Nice. See that? Soft. Nice and juicy. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. Trust me. This big feet here is gonna be so nice. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna add some potato to the pot. That's the only thing I'm adding to this pot, guys. Some potato. Trust me. Just some potatoes. Remember all the ingredients, all the seasoning, all the thing, everything already in the pot. Blend out. So you know it's gonna be so good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more water, and then I'm gonna carry it back right down, and then that's it. You understand? Just gonna give him a last time, guys. Let this potato cook and everything. Yeah. See that, guys, falling off already. See that? Soft. Bone are splitting in two already. See that? Soft. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna cover up the pot and let the fire finish up. Do the work, guys. Trust me, guys. This pig feet is nice. You guys need to try it back home. It's a nice, tasty meal. Do it this way, it ain't wrong. Good result, guys. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Okay, guys, right now the pot is done cook. Everything is nice, soft and juicy. We're gonna get ready to plate now, and we're gonna eat some food later. So right now, the pot is finished, guys. Ready to eat. Straight up, one love, Str8yaad TV. Man, it's nice to look at nice man. A long time I don't go night.